All right, here's your mortgage rate update here. Let's take a look at this chart first. You can see this is 12 months worth of mortgage rates here. You'll see a year ago today, we were somewhere around the 5% mark. Today, we're somewhere around the 6% mark. You'll see they crested and they got the highest they had somewhere around October. They were in the low to mid sevens. Right now, again, closer down to the 6% mark and surfing up and down depending on the day around that 6% mark. So sometimes a little above, sometimes a little bit less. So that's about where we're at on rates, but let's talk about why we're there, and we'll talk about some of the news too. So today, CPI, the Consumer Price Index, came down. The year-over-year reading went from 6% down to 5%. That's a pretty huge jump. And in these rate updates, we talk about how inflation is the major driver of rates. And you would think that such a jump downwards would have caused rates to go down. The problem is, and the Wall Street Journal actually said it, is that while that CPI had jumped down drastically, there's a ton of upward pressure on pricing to where inflation is still super, super concerning. We've got some oil stuff going on. We've got some reductions in production. We've got a lot of stuff that's causing some pressures. Either way, the mortgage market didn't react as large as one might expect to such a CPI report because they're still expecting that we're going to see a little bit more prolonged inflation here. So inflation down, that's good. The peak was at 9%, by the way. We're down to 5. The target is 2. So we're on the right way. We're on the right track. We're still predicting, though, over the summer, you're going to start seeing rates in the mid, maybe even lower 5s towards the end of the summer. So we're seeing stuff come down. So there's your mortgage rate update. If you got any questions whatsoever, please let me know. Some programs we have below market rates for certain segments of buyers. We've got some special carve-outs for first-time buyers, VA buyers, a lot of different carve-outs for people who can get even better rates out there and even some free money, down payment assistance, stuff like that. So hit me up. We'd love to talk about that too. All right, there you go. Have a good one.